Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 26 and Carplay is active. This matters because the system-level hooks changed. Next, install a browser or app known to forward video to Carplay. This is the only way that bypasses Apple restrictions. Once done, open Settings, enable the app's Carplay permissions, and, if needed, allow screen mirroring. These steps give the app access to the Carplay display. Without them, the vehicle will block playback. You now connect your iPhone to the car using USB-C or wireless CarPlay pairing. Choose the method your head unit supports. Then launch the browser-based YouTube or the app that supports CarPlay streaming and find the video you want. Make sure to select the CarPlay display option or start screen mirroring inside the app. This tells iOS to forward video output to the head unit. Because CarPlay normally blocks third-party video, this configuration forces the app to stream onto the dash. You finish by locking screen orientation and confirming audio routes to the car speakers. This prevents playback hiccups and keeps sound synced. If the video fails, immediately toggle CarPlay permission for the app, restart the iPhone and the head unit, then reconnect. This resolves most permission or handshake errors. Finally, understand why. Apple limits video for safety, so use a passenger or voice controls while driving. If problems persist, try a different browser-based app that supports CarPlay forwarding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.